Hey everybody, this is Tammy, the Fibonacci Princess from the Fibonacci Room here at Simpler Trading, and I just wanted to show you a setup that I have here in DOCU. Now, of course, the original setup was back here at 183.92 to 185.42, but that setup has already taken off, came into some symmetrical resistance here from that swing before the swing at 276.58 and has failed and has a nice pullback zone now coming in 233.96 to 239.66. I still do want you to be aware of this resistance on the way up. And of course, as usual, you can use the target from this larger swing because it is a swing. This swing is a smaller swing inside of a larger swing. But you can also use the target that is off of this smaller swing if maybe you are day trading. The only thing about this target though is that it is only going to be good if this low from today is in place. Okay, so you have your setup. We do not have a trigger yet, so I need you to wait for a trigger because it's setup plus trigger equals trade entry, and then you manage. And just remember that target of 285 is only going to be good if this low is in place. And the overall target is going to be 318. All right, everybody, I hope you have a wonderful rest of the day. And also, something else I want to point out real quick that I forgot to say is this is a royal setup. We are above the 200, we are above the 50, and the 5 and the 13 are on a buy. All right, everybody, y'all have an awesome rest of the day, and I'll talk to you soon. Thanks. Bye-bye.